Going to Golden Temple, so let's go.
Namaste, my name is Manoj Sai from here. I am local guide also. So right now we are in the Golden Temple, inside of the temple. Inside here we have a monastery surrounding by this temple. We have made of lots of silver, gold, and a very beautiful carving of metal work. And we have also ripoche. This is French word. Ripoche means like a plate and wax inside. It's very beautiful design and beautiful carving. Yeah. So we have so many beautiful things here. You can see that later on I will show you also. And we have here the front one we call the Vajra. We come when people come to inside of this temple. We have to bow on this. I mean we have to bow like this. Forehead. Down here we have a mandala for prosperity, good luck. Yeah. This cosmic energy for the good luck and for the negative things. In this temple inside, we have so many Buddhist family. They are related to this temple, and this is one of the largest Buddhist monastery that we call the monastery temple with monastery. Okay, so here we have a Buddhist and we have Vajracharya. Vajracharya is superior. Yeah, and this temple here, surrounded by this monastery, we have so many like a griffin. We have so many down here. We have a statue of different location of the different compassion God. Yeah, each and every month worship for one month one God. So we have inside we have a very beautiful stupa of Swayambunat. That means self-rise. No one have made. Yeah, and we have other side there is a Buddha, Shakyamuni Buddha, very beautiful statue with copper, with gold and precious things. There is diamonds and stones. Yeah, and it's plated with gold. And we call the English name Golden Temple, very easy for foreigners, but this temple we call Hiranya Barna Mahavir. We have a Hindu and Buddhist and Tibetan, so we have a harmony blend. All religion, all two together. So we respect each other's. Yeah. So Buddha was born in Nepal, Hindu also. We have so many god and goddesses. Here in this temple, we have a very beautiful statue of Green Tara. We have a Manjusri. We have a god of compassion. And we have so mani beautiful here around this temple. We have a beautiful prayer wheels. We split this in for purify our negatives and for chanting mantras. We call the Om Mani Padme Hum. Yeah? And here we have a beautiful statue of 12 Lokeshwar with the vehicle. We have very beautiful statue here, you see. We call Harihar Ban Lokeshwar, very beautiful here. Yeah? And inside of this temple, there is a very beautiful statue of Buddha. To take care of this temple, there is one community. They have participate and join here to make this temple forward, to help, to maintain, to make everything perfect. And only the community of this area do everything here, like a Buddhist family, like a Vajracharya and Shakya family. Maldai, Shakya, Vajracharya. So since long time, this family have been take care of this place. And there is one monk lives here for 1 month, and he have to take the place. Let's say not the child. The child is the main priest of this temple. That the priest family have to take the place 1 month, one time. The family members of this temple, charge member will do charge. Let's say 4,000 to 5,000. I'm also asking if I don't know. I am asking. Yeah. So this family. One by one gathering, now it's become this much largest of this community. So they take care, they are very devotees, they respect God. So after the earthquake, they have been take care of this temple and getting some donation and some help each other. So they are very good. So I heard that, and once upon a time there were Dakhwa, there is another family. They are family, but they are different from the different community. There is a name of the people. Yeah. So someone want to make a whole this area gold plated. Someone want to make a door in silver. There were competition. So that I heard that. I'm not sure about, but people say that these people work in Tibet. So they get the money from Tibet. I mean money, gold money. So they bring here in Nepal. And they donate to this temple. I heard that. So here, as I told you, we have a Rinpoche and solid. Rinpoche means it's a plate with wax, and here is a very beautiful carving of Rinpoche, beautiful carving of history of Buddha, born to death, the born with armpit and death. Buddha was born here in Nepal and died in Kushinagar in India. Yeah, so there is a Buddha's life history of Buddha all here in carving, beautiful carving. Yeah, so one is this beautiful here, and we have a very beautiful statue here inside of this place. This statue is very famous in Nepal, as well also in Tibet. This statue also in Tibet, one people say like that, and one in heaven, like people say like that. So this statue is in, for familiar Buddhist and for other Hindu also. So can come here worship to this Buddha. Whatever you wish from your heart that you receive, this God give that much things to you. And it's made of all here is silver. Inside it's very precious. If you look at the face, if you look from your heart inside, that God looks smiling, something like that, no? And so I heard that this once the priest goes inside the temple, they ring the bell and it will communicate the priest. Buddha is communicating with the priest is communicating with the Buddha inside. That will happen inside. That I heard that. So here is also we call temple rat, where the many rat here once upon many rat, but now there is no. They have a feed also to rat. Ooh, I think they pulled. Yeah, you saw there, he's pulling the. Yeah, so it's made of copper, silver, gold, everything there. There is a precious things there, diamond also. There is everything, and also in this temple here we have a Pragya Parmita, very old book. Yeah. And written in a very special paper with the gold. There is a special priest there. That's why I was confused. Is it rat or something? So he is the one that he is the monk that he helped the small boy. He is the main priest of this temple. So he will help as he's the assistant. Right here, you see, this is the small boy here, and he's not the ordinary. He's a very special boy and.
Like holy?
Yeah, holy priest, and he's the one take care of this temple, worship to this Buddha here every day, and he cannot walk with not leather, and he have to wear a white dress. It's very very pure white, you know, it's a purity, and he's stay here with the family members, yeah, and teacher also come here to teach him. And he cannot eat milk, mujumala, milk ju, durju, durju. Okay, milk is possible, I say. And ladne mujumala. Okay, milk he can drink, but cannot eat meat.
Cannot eat
Yeah.
meat. So he is vegetarian.
Yeah, vegetarian. Yeah, and his father take the place, and then once his father take the place, if he have son, then he must have to stay in this community inside of this place, and also take the place for 1 month. Every month is take each and every one take their place. 4,000 members, 4,000 to 5,000 members. They have to take. My turn finished, and another. Yeah, you have to hand over. You have to hand over all the jewelry. There is a community, you know, they will write down the name of the jewelry and how many diamonds, whatever they have, they give to the handover. All will give back to the community hand over to the new one. Like this is the rule. People come here to get and to burn and to wish.
Oh, to
yeah?
wish something.
To wish, yeah.
Can I have one, please? Thank you. Whoa.
Yes, you can burn this side here.
So, one wish. Everything.
Yes. If you ask from your heart, that you will receive. So what he said that if you burn here, then we go to close off this door, and you can ask. Yeah, you burned it. If no, you can do like this. You can take this.
This one.
And I know if I burn, so you do.
So now can I burn it and make a wish?
Yes. Yes. And one thing, you know, when you burn, you have to do burn and put like this, and then it will, yeah,
okay.
yeah. But not like this.
Not like that.
This is negative.
I didn't know.
Okay, it's okay.
I don't know
So
about
now you
that.
take this and come here with me.
So I'm not gonna make a wish.
Yeah, wish here there is no God. So here you ask
So I'm gonna wish something.
for your family, for your health, whatever. Be positive. Say the Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani, chanting Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme. Very easy. Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. God of compassion as well, also God of relief, the pain. Here is the medicine that I did first in this place. Many people saw, but one day one man did and someone have recorded. But first I said, and this is how the process you have to do it to relieve the pain. So here is the medicine, and you rub when you have a pain in your body, rub and put wherever you have a pain. So this is the God with relief. There is one big history of this God, related with king, and they're related with one sick person that he's got relief by this God, goddess. Right now, I'm going to show you very beautiful stone carving, mandala. We call Dharma Dhatu mandala. Very beautiful up there. You see the carving. Like this, you won't see other places in Kathmandu, only in Photon. Photon is city of art and beauty.
Did you watch my previous episode? If not, don't forget to check it out. And subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed this video.
My brother, he's a Buddha Lama. Since long time, he's working as a healer.